Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. Oh wow, that's a rare uptrend. I can't miss this chance, there won't be another one like it. I need this one right here. I can't wait. It's an uptrade.
Wait a minute!
We're all human, and we have emotions. Oftentimes, these emotions get in the way of successful trading. I can't wait. It's an uptrade. No, it was an uptrend. It was an uptrend. Uptrend! Damn it! Don't be afraid to miss a trend. There'll always be another one and another one after it. Also, even if you're 100% sure of what you're seeing on one chart, do a quick cross-check with other time frames. That one picture may be deceptive. I can't wait. It's an uptrade. But wait, let's look at the bigger picture. Oh, so it's a local high of a larger downtrend. Now I get it. I'll open a down trade then. Yeah, done. Excellent. Now I'll catch this downtrend with my take profit right here. You can't fight fear. Can you fight greed? That emotion is less obvious, and it's a more dangerous hurdle on the way to consistent success in trading. Done. Excellent. Now I'll catch this downtrend with my take profit right here. Let's see. Haha, exactly like I said, the price is going down, so I'm getting profit. In fact, now why would I limit my profit by my take profit? To hell with it, I can cancel it and manually close the trade later on at a lower point. No, you gotta be kidding me. No, another reversal. Another reversal.
No. Wait.
Greed is a natural feeling. We all want more. It only becomes a problem if it makes us forget reason and fall prey to wishful thinking. Be steady as rock and stick to the plan. Done. Excellent. Now I'll catch this downtrend with my take profit right here. Let's see. Exactly like I said, the price is going down. Now, why would I limit my profit by my take profit? To hell with it. I can cancel it and close the trade manually later on at a lower point. But that would be too risky. Nah, you never know where the price may go. Here, my profit is already locked in by my take profit. I'll keep it and make more profit with other trades. Trade closed with profit. You've conquered your fear and greed. You're trading well. Your profits are coming in. But wait, what's that? Lurking out there, waiting to wreck your success. That's right, overconfidence. Trade closed with profit. In fact, profit seems like an easy thing right now. I guess I can go ahead and open another trade. Why not go on a profit-making spree? No, why are you going there? Another reversal again. I've lost everything. We all get excited when closing good trades, but don't get too excited. Overexcitement can lead to overconfidence, and that's a one-way road to loss. Stay cool. Don't rush into hasty trades, and take some time to enjoy your trading victory. Trade closed with profit. In fact, profit seems like an easy thing right now. I guess I can go on and open another trade. Why not go on a profit-making spree? Well, why would I do that? I think I've done pretty well today for myself. I'm satisfied. I'll chill. Let me enjoy my trading victory today. These are just a few examples of how emotional trading can ruin your day and how you can avoid that disappointment by opening sensible trades and keeping a clear head. We'll be back with more videos like this.